I'll just draw and show you how Roman goes. There are two pens and there are two different angles. Okay, there are two different angles of the pen. The first one is Roman and the second one is Devanagari. Okay, I'll just show you how to do it and we'll come to know how it is called, what it is called. This is called Roman. Okay, and this is called Devanagari. Okay, so I'll just give you. You just look at this. The angle which is coming from left to right, the left side is down and the right side is up, is called Roman. Okay, the left side. Anushri, please turn off your camera. From the left side is down and the right side the point is up, is called Roman. Okay, we when we do calligraphy in English we need Roman pen. Okay, and from where the left side is up and the right side is down, it is called Devanagari. Where we do Hindi, Marathi font, when we do, it is the name, the Devanagari pen is used. Okay, there are two pens. The first one is Roman and the second one is Devanagari. Roman is used for English fonts and the Devanagari is used for Hindi and Marathi fonts. Is that clear? Is that clear, each and everyone? So now what we are going to do today is I'm going to teach you how to, what are the basic strokes. Okay, what are the basic strokes of calligraphy. Okay, so here what we are going to do is I'm going to teach you what are the basic strokes first. Just look at this. Just turn the camera so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the book. So I want each and every student to first, whenever you're starting with any kind of drawing, what you're going to do is you're going to draw the border first. Any kind of topic or anything, first what you're going to do is you're going to draw the border. So here I'm drawing the border. I'll just draw the border. Okay, so here I'm drawing the border. You can also start drawing the border in your book. Okay, you can also start drawing your border in your book so that we don't waste any kind of time. So it's a kind of short in tip that whenever you're having a drawing lecture, you can first draw the border in your book and then we cannot the time is not wasted. Okay, so whenever there is a drawing topic, first draw the border and keep. Okay, so this is the border which I have done, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some light lines. Okay, lines I'm going to add, a very light lines I'm going to, here I'm adding the lines over here. As you can see, I'm adding some lines over here. Okay, to show you there are some different kinds of strokes, and it's very important whenever you're doing calligraphy. It's very important. Without the strokes you cannot do calligraphy. So here we start with, so here I have drawn some lines and the basic strokes. First I'm starting with the basic strokes. If you have this kind of marker in your home, see there are already strokes over here from left to right. This is Roman. Okay, just look at the pen stroke. This is Roman, and now what we are going to do is we are going to learn the Roman basic strokes. So just look at this. I'm holding a pencil. I'm holding the marker in a 45-degree angle, and here I go up, then down, and then up. Just look at this. Thin, fat, thin. Is that clear? You have to do it in this way. Okay. Same way you have to do it. You have to follow this rules, and same way you have to do it. This is the way. Okay, this is standing line stroke. Now I'm going to show you what are the slanting line. Okay, how you are going to make a slanting line or a slipping line. First we'll do the slipping line. Same way, stroke, then up. Just look at this. This is the slipping line. Okay, this is standing line, this is slipping line. How you're going to do? Down, slipping, up, down, slipping, up, down, slipping, up. Okay, This is the slipping line. Now how you are going to do the slanting line? So slanting line, when we are going to do, it's something like this. If you do slanting line, it will give a small thin line. Okay, this is called slanting line. But when we do the opposite slanting, it will not come thin, it will become fat. Just look at this. I hope each and everyone is understanding how to do it. Yes, this is opposite slanting line. Okay, this is the slanting line. We have done the opposite one, so it came fat in size. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to draw the curve. These are the basic, okay, what I'm doing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do a curve. So same 45-degree angle and curve. This is a curve line. Okay, this is a curve line over here. Okay, which I have done. What I have done, I've just give a proper, followed the instruction. Now I'm going to do the opposite curve. So this is the opposite curve. When why this is used, this is used when you're doing when you're writing O or something. This is the opposite curve. Okay, now what we are remaining is the wavy strokes. There are 2 to 3 wavy strokes we can draw. This is one. Okay, there is one more, that is 1, 2, 3. This is zigzag line. Okay, this is something like zigzag. Okay, and there is one more that is called zigzag. How you're going to do is zigzag is, you just look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just look at this: thin fat, it's going like this. Okay, same: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is something like this. Ankur, please turn off your camera, and this is the class going on, you cannot sleep. Okay, बच्चा है ये, नाम क्या है बच्चे का? This was the zigzag line, and now what we are going to do is we are going to give a curve line, you can say. Just look at this. So these are the some basic strokes of calligraphy, and the last one is like dot. Okay, so here this is the dots. These are the basic strokes of calligraphy. Okay, I'll just write the today's topic name. Topic is calligraphy. Okay, you have to mention today's date. Your today's date is 26th of August 2020. Okay, so this is how, this was the basic stroke. And now what we are going to do is I'm going to teach you how to write A, B, C, alphabet. So first what you are going to do is you are going to what you're going to do is you are going to I hope each and everyone can see the book. And first, whenever you're starting with any kind of calligraphy, first you have to draw the lines over here. If you're doing it in a plain drawing book, you have to draw the straight lines over here. Okay, am I clear to each and everyone? First you have to draw the straight lines, and I want each and every student to pay attention, and they have to answer me, they have to reply me. So first you have to draw the lines. Okay, and then here we begin with our calligraphy. So I'm just changing the color of my pen. Here I've taken the blue color, and here I've started with the calligraphy. Just look at this, how we are going to do with this basic, using this strokes. I'm going to do calligraphy. So first, for writing the A, I'm going to take a slanting line over here, and then the opposite slanting line. Okay, and then I'm taking the curve line. Okay, so just, this is A. Then comes the B. So first straight line, Then I'm going to take a curved line over here and the second curve over here. So this is B. Then comes your C. So C is for the curved line. Give the proper stroke. This is C. Then comes D, straight line. Okay, then comes the curved line. This is D. Then comes E. E, straight line. Then comes the wave. 1, 2, 3. E. Same with the F, straight line. This is F. Then comes the G. So just giving a curved line. Just look at this. This is G. Then comes H. So we can leave some space, but I can do it over here also, but I'll be short in time, but leave a space over here. And here comes G, and then comes the H. Straight line, curve line, again straight line. Okay, G, H. Then comes the I. So here straight line, then wave line. Then comes the J. So for J, okay. Then comes the K, straight line, slanting line, opposite slanting line. Then comes the L, straight line, then you can use the wave. Then here comes the M, straight line over here, slanting line, opposite slanting line, and then straight line. Then N, this is N. Then comes the O. I've not left a line, you can leave a line. L, M, N, O, P. Okay. Then comes your Q, so half. Then you have to go over your half and give a line. Then comes the R, so same way, straight line, curve line, just leave a space, VQR. Then comes S. S is very tricky, so you have to just do it this way, RS. Then comes your T, so T you have to do it in this way. Okay. Then comes your U, so this is your U, PQR, STUV. Now comes the V. Just look at this, V. Then comes your W. So for W, 1, again same way, and just leave a space over here. Okay. Then here comes your X, opposite curve line, curve line. Okay. Then here comes your Y. Just look at this. And the last one is Z, dot. So this is your calligraphy. There are many ways, different types of calligraphy you can do. So for example, this was the Roman one, and here you can do with calligraphy type, a slipping cursive type you can do it. So it's look like something like this. Just look at this. So here comes your my this, and now I'll show you how to do it in calligraphy. So there are different fonts you can choose. This is the cursive font, you can say. Just look at this. This is A. Then comes the B. Here comes the C. Just look at this. This is all cursive. Then comes D. So just look at this. This is the proper D which I'm making now. Then comes E. Then comes F. Then comes the G. So just look at this. This is all cursive fonts. Then comes the H. So here comes your H. There are many different ways how you can do this. It's very, it's very nice how when you start doing this, you will come to know. Then comes your I. So this is your I. Then comes J. Okay. Then comes your K. Then comes your L. So just look at this. These are the ways. Then comes your M. Just look at this. Then your N, from down to up, then down, then up. Here comes your O. Then comes your P. Then comes your Q. Then comes your R. S is something like this. Then P, Q, R, S, T. You can do it. So T, for making the T, you can do it in this way. Then here comes your U. So this way, this is your U. Then comes your V. Then comes your W. Then comes your X. Y. And then Z. So this is something, like calligraphy. You can do this. These are some fonts. You can do it. So I hope each and everyone has understood what is calligraphy. Now I'm going to show you a short video. So just pay attention to that video and you'll come to know how you are going to do it. So just pay attention to this video. Here this is the same way which I've taught you. Just pay attention to this video now. So you can understood and you can do it in this way. So these are the basic calligraphy strokes. Just do it bigger. So this is the slanting line, and just look at this. How it coming, how the strokes are coming. It's thin and then it becomes fat. So as you can see, there are different types of strokes. He's doing this, how nicely he's doing. Just look at this. how you're going to hold the pen is very important, and how you're going to do it. Because look at this. So there's some types of strokes you can do this. So this is a wavy like strokes. See how thin and fat it becomes. The same way you can also do this. See, this is the curve. This is the opposite curve. These are the straight lines. So I hope students have understood how to do this. I hope each and everyone has understood how to do the calligraphy. Has any student done in this class? Any of the students have done in the class calligraphy now? ऐसा कोई है जिसने अभी कैलीग्राफी किया है क्लास में? ओके, Ashwin, show me your calligraphy. Just turn on your camera. Ashwin, Ashwin, जिसने भी कैलीग्राफी किया just turn on the camera. किसने भी कैलीग्राफी किया तो just show me your calligraphy which you have done. You have to do this kind of calligraphy in your book. Okay, this is your homework. Just look at this. This is the homework for you. You have to do this kind of calligraphy in your book. Very good, Sahil. Very nice. Very nice. So you have to complete this kind of calligraphy. I'm just keeping in front of you so that you can see. These are the strokes which you're going to do, and you have to complete this at your home. It's very important. And just see, I have done a mistake over here. I have not left a space. Okay, so whenever you're doing a calligraphy, leave a space and touch each and every line properly. Okay, so this is how you're going to do. So as you can see over here, these are two different fonts, one and this is two. So these are the fonts which we are going to, you can do it. And there are many calligraphy pens. This is my handmade calligraphy pen over here. Okay, you can do it with this, or you can take some markers like this. See, they're having already, they have a slant over here. See, just look at this. They already have a curve. Okay, they already have a curve line. Okay, so this is very important. They have a slant cut, so you can do the calligraphy with that, so that your font comes thick in size. So this was the calligraphy topic in your class. Any of the students have done calligraphy? Yes. Anybody has done the calligraphy in this class? No one? Okay, so I'm asking you for the previous topic, that is your still life. I want to see your still life which you have done. So I'll just call out the name. So you just have to turn on the camera to show your your still life topic, and you can turn off your camera. So I'm just calling out your name. First one is Sujal. Sujal, show me your still life painting. Who have done the still life? Who have done the still life topic? Just raise your hand. Okay, Sahil. Show me your still life. Sahil. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. There are some who have done still life in their home. Who have completed the topic. Sahil. Very nice. और कोई है जिसने किया है still life? Okay. Very nice. So Sabrish. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Just look at the balance the shape of that bucket. Sabrish. Just balance the shape of the bucket, each and everything. I've told you make a perpendicular line. Okay. First, whenever you're drawing an object, first draw the perpendicular line and draw the same exactly the same size opposite to it each and every point. And Aditi, very nice. Just show me a closer look of that painting. Okay, very nice, very nice. But I have told you to draw a bucket. You have drawn a pot, but it's okay. Very nice. And who is this? This is Aditi Gaikwad. Very nice. Your pot and your plate is remaining, so you can complete this. And the handle of the bucket is also remaining. Rajesh, very good, very good, very good, Rajesh. Very nice. और कोई है जिसने बनाया है? अनुश्री and Raima. Okay, very nice. You have to paint it also. Okay, so you have to paint it. So paint it nicely. Whenever you're painting, you have to show the three different tones. That is your light tone, middle tone, and the dark tone. Here I can see Somya Singh. Very nice. Just the problem is that look at the bucket. You have drawn it flat. Give a proper round and curve to it. Okay, if your upper part of the bucket is curved, so you have to do it in that way. Okay, your second the down part of that bucket should be also in curve. So just look at this. Okay, so this is the thing how you're going to do. Yes, very nice. So now I have taught you calligraphy, but you have known how to do that calligraphy. And now what I'm going to do in that calligraphy, I'm giving you a short word, and the word is lockdown. Okay, the word is lockdown. So just look at this. I've drawn a I've done a calligraphy lettering type thing. It's something like lockdown. Okay, so I have made my own font. Okay, please turn off your camera, each and everyone. Very good, very good, Akansha, very nice. So just pay attention to this. This is something like I've done the word lockdown, so you have to also write the word. What is that? It is the lockdown word. You have to do it with your own style. Okay, this is my own style which I have done. Something like I've written the name lockdown, so I'm coloring it with my own color schemes. So you have to also do, and you have to choose, and you can also do it in this way. So here I am doing my completing my lockdown of the this is called lettering. Okay, this is also called lettering, and it is going something like calligraphy also. So what you have to do is you have to go home and you have to write this lockdown. Okay, you have to write this lockdown with your own idea. Okay, you have to create a letter of lockdown with your own ideas. Okay, so this is my own idea which I have doing over here. So same way you can do it. So as you can see, I have shown a lock over here. There is a key. Okay, so this is a lock, and this is down. I've used two different fonts in this for lock and down. So as you can see, I have used this two different fonts. So same way you can also do it. Okay, so you have to do this lockdown font in your with your own ideas. You can do it, and this is how you're going to do it. It looks like. So here I'm almost completed with this part. Okay, just look at this. Here I have almost completed with this part. So this is how you're going to write your lockdown. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. It's very important, and this is the topic of calligraphy. What there are 2 to 3 types. What you're going to do is first you're going to write the this is the basic. Okay, in one page you have to write the basic. The second page will be your alphabet, and the third page will be of your lockdown. This is the lockdown. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Am I clear to each and everyone? Am I clear to each and everyone? Yes, just drop a message in the chat box. Yes. So this is how you're going to do. You have to do it very nicely and very beautifully. You have to do this. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. So this is the proper way how you're going to do the calligraphy or the lettering, you can say. So this is the proper way you have to do it. Okay, I hope each and everyone has understood the topic calligraphy. What you're going to do in your one page, you have to write what you're going to do. You're going to write the basic strokes. You have to show the basic strokes in the one page, and the another page you have to write the alphabet. Okay, and the third page will be your lockdown. Okay, you have to write this letter with your own ideas. Am I clear to each and everyone? Yes, just drop a message in the chat box. Just look at this. This is the way how I have written the lockdown. So same way you have also, you can also do this. Okay, am I clear to each and everyone? Yes, you have to do these things in three ways, three pages. The first one will be your basic strokes. Okay, this is the basic stroke. The second page will be your alphabet, and the third page will be your lockdown. Okay, so you cannot do lockdown in this way. Tilt the page and do it in the center, do it bigger. Okay, am I clear to each and everyone? Am I clear to each and everyone? You have to write the lockdown in the bigger page. Okay, so sleeping page karo, aise mat karo. Okay, this is how I have only shown you. You have to tilt the page and you have to write the lockdown in this way. Am I clear to each and everyone? Am I clear to each and everyone? Just drop a message in the chat box. Yes. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Okay. Am I clear to each and everyone? Okay. So this is how you're going to do it. Remember, you have to do it in three pages. The first page will be your basic one. The second page will be your alphabet, and the third one will be your lockdown. And I want this is your homework. You have to go home, you have to do complete this topic in your home. Do it very nicely, don't panic, do it very calm mindedly. Okay, so here I completed with our today's topic, that is your calligraphy. Whenever you're doing this, first draw the border, then you have to mention today's date and what is the topic. You have to mention it, and then you're going to start with the topic. Am I clear, each and everyone? Any student is having doubt? Any student having doubt, they can ask me in the chat box. You have to do it in the assignment. Okay, this is your assignment. You are having some drawing pages. You can do it in the drawing pages. If anyone is not having the drawing page, they can do it in the drawing book, but they have to do it. Okay, Soumya Singh, this was your doubt. Is that clear to you? And you can use this marker also. Okay, this is the marker which you are going to, you can use this. Okay, they are already having the cuts. As you can see, they are having a slanting cut, so it will be easier for you to do the calligraphy. Okay, so this is the marker. This is the name of that marker. I'll just show you. This is the name of the marker. Okay, you can buy this marker and you can do the calligraphy. Okay, this is the marker. They already have a slanting cut, slant cut on this. As you can see, they already have a cut. Okay, so this can be easier for you to do the calligraphy. Okay, am I clear to each and everyone? So I, Pritam Karmakar, signing off from our today's lecture. So I want each and everyone to complete this topic at your home, and I will be asking you for this topic on your next lecture. So till then, be safe, be at your home. Bye everyone. You can just leave the meeting. There is a red leave meeting. You can just leave the meeting. Bye everyone. There is a leave meeting on the right hand side. You can just leave the meeting. Yes, very good, Sahil. Very nice. You have to do this in your book and complete this. Okay. So it's very important how you do this. And at the end, you have to write the lockdown word with your own ideas. Okay. You have to write down the lockdown name with your own font, own ideas. You can do this. Okay. Bye, everyone.